I don't know what this is going to do. This is all new for me. There he goes, getting it over. Get it over there, Smokey. I'll put it back in for you. Get it over there, Smokey. Yeehaw. That's his tugboat. A lot of the times he'll pick it up and put it in his water trough and have it floating. He likes it. Bring it here. Bring it here, Smokey. Bring it here, baby. There you go. Bring it to Mom. Wrong turn. Bring it here. Well, get it. It's getting away from you. Bring it here. Bring it here. Can you? It's having too much fun, I guess. You're a goofy man. Well, bring it here. Oh, I know where you're going with it. Yeah. Is it fighting back? Yeah, you show off. You big clown.